what is the prayojan? What is the sadhya of bhakti? It's prema, bhav and prema. So bhakti is that seed. Brahmanda Brahmatikon Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. If the love is in the heart, it should manifest. Manifesting, it should love everything and everyone around you. If the love is not manifesting, the seed is not sprouting. The seed is in the heart, but where is it going? There's insufficient water, it's too dry. There's insufficient temperature, it's too cold. There's insufficient sunshine, it's in the dark. So the gopis are fully blossomed and blooming. So this is a Madhurya Prem. So this is a nice thing. That's why I'm making this point, which we'll end on this point, probably. We're talking about Aishvarya Prem versus Madhurya Prem, because this very verse that we're discussing, which is the point that Jiva Goswami brought out, that's why he discussed this point. I'm reminding you and elaborating on it. The first two lines of the verse are about Madhurya Prem. In one verse, we have what we call Lila Vichar and Tattva Vichar. The Tattva means the Aishvarya, the grandeur, the majesty, the greatness of God, the supreme personality of Godhead. Aishvaryasya samagrasya viryasya yasasha shriya. Oh, unlimited beauty. God is unlimited beauty, unlimited wealth, unlimited strength, power, renunciation. Jai ho. But he's a chora. He's a chor. Choranga astrakam. Vallabhacharya wrote 8 prayers to the thief. 8 prayers to the thief. Charangarnya ashtakam. The chor. Makan chor. Sari chor. Man chor. Manchor, Ranchor, he runs away from the battlefield, Ranchor. And there's a holy place in Gujarat, Ranchor, and there's a deity, Ranchor. They're worshiping a deity of the guy that ran away from the battlefield. Krishna Makanchor. He's a thief. So this is the Prem Bhav. Prem Vichar, but then the Tattva Vichar, he's Vaman, he's Varaha, he's Paramatma, he's Bhagavan. He's Bhagavan? He's Priyatam. Who's this Bhagavan? He's Priyatam. I'm Priyatam. Priyatam, she's Shama Sham. I'm Shama, he's Sham. I'm Gauri, he's Shankar. No, he's Shankar Mahadev. Mahadev. I'm Parvati. I'm Uma. This is Umesh. So this intimacy. So he's saying that in this verse, the first 2 lines are Madhurya. They're talking about Sparsha, Sparshotsava, Pulaka, Anga, Ruher, Vibhasi. They're saying, Sparsha, you're having an Utsav, Sparsh Utsav. Sparsh Utsav, you have touched Krishna. Krishna, you're touching Krishna's feet all the time. And it's a festival of love. It's a festival of joy. Sparsh Utsava. Sparsh Utsava, Pulaka Anga. Pulika, Romacha Pulika. Your Anga, the body of Mother Earth, is the whole entire surface of the earth is full of grass standing on end. This is your Anga. This is your Pulika. Vibhasi. Vibhasi means you appear. Vibhasi means you look so beautiful. It says Keshava Angri. It says Kritam Shiti Tapo. Kim Te Kritam Shiti Tapo Bata Keshava Angri. Sparshot Savot Pukalitanga Ruher Vibhasi. Bata Keshava Angri. Anga Ruher Vibhasi. You're so happy, Vibhasi, because Keshava Angri. Sparsha. You're touching the feet of Keshav. What could be better? We hanker for that. We desire that. The sign of Mahabhav is where the lover is in madness and separation. She projects her own individual emotions on rocks, on animals, on the earth. The gopis see the grass and the sprouts on the earth, and they interpret this to mean that the earth is having pulaka romancha, that the Grass is the hair on her body. It's standing erect in bhav and ecstasy. This is the sign of their ecstasy. Then in the second two lines, Shiva Goswami says that third pada and fourth pada of verse 10 of chapter 30 is showing that this Aishvarya Prem. This now it's Urukram, Sambhava Urukam Vikramad. Urukram Vikramad. Aho Varaha Vapusha Parirambanena. Oh, Varaha and Vamanadev. Wow, Krishna avatars, Krishna's all these avatars, and even you're involved with them. So these are some words on this verse, and tomorrow we'll begin verse 11 of the 10th canto, chapter 30 of the Srimad Bhagavatam.